Hello, this is Rusted Out Garage and today's topic is: can I fix the rusted windshield frame on the Lucky13, which is right behind me? At first I was expecting a lot more rust to find when I remove the windshield, but it's not so bad, which does not mean that it's good. I was expecting to find big pieces missing from the frame when I removed the windshield, but happily most of the frame is there. There are still some nasty places where there is a lot of rust, holes, which I was expecting because when it's raining it was leaking inside of the cabin. Now this is very important because if I don't fix these holes, there will be rust continuing to grow and more water coming inside the cabin, which is not so good. And if you are driving in the rain, it's not even comfortable because it's raining all over you. So the plan for today is in 3 steps. First step, to remove all of the rust and the old glue from the windshield with the wire brush. After this, weld everything that is missing, every hole from the rust. And third, I will grind the welds that I have done. I don't want to cut any of the places because the roof of this car is, I believe, this is the original paint on the car. There are no dents, no body filler, no nothing. So I will try to keep it as clean as possible to not warp the roof of this car, so it can be as it is in original form. The frame is fixed, I think. Okay, it's not looking like brand new, I know, it's looking ugly, but it's not that important how beautiful it is, because this is place that is not visible. So the most important thing now is how I will treat this place. Because if I leave it like this, only put some paint, probably it will rust again. But even with better welds, the result will be the same. That's why I am planning to put first one layer of epoxy primer to seal everything. After this I will put seam sealer around the welds where there is no glue holding the windshield. And after this, I will spray some cavity wax inside all of the frames. So this will keep the car from rusting maybe next 5-10 years. I don't know. If it's not driven in winter, maybe more. But this we'll see maybe in another life. Already applied the epoxy primer, and after the epoxy is dried I will put some seam sealer on some places, and after this the windshield is ready to be glued to the car. And finally there will be no leaks from the windshield inside the cabin. I consider this job done. Since I don't have windshield to install, I might just remove the fender. Common problem on E36 is that lower part of the fender is rusting really badly. Luckily, you can buy a repair panel for the fender. Only thing I need to do is remove the fender from the car, cut the rusted out part and weld the new part on to the fender. I have just found more rust. Another rust to fix. I am in. And just like this, the fender is done. Next step is to apply epoxy primer, after this body filler, and paint it. But for this step I will wait, because there are gonna be many parts of this car to put epoxy primer, and I think I will do them, or at least most of them, at the same time, so it will be maybe quicker. And that's going to be all for this week. Small progress, but still progress. I'm happy with it. Finally something is happening with this car, and I can't wait to finally start the preparation to paint this car. but I need to find a new windshield, and I have 2 more spots of rust to fix. I know it was 2 more spots to fix before I fixed the fender. Now there are still 2 more spots because I had found another one. But it is what it is. I hope this will be the last 2 places that there is rust on this car, and there will be no more hidden stories. That's going to be all for this video. For more rust, subscribe, share, like, and see you next week.